Welcome back, and now news from sports. Newly formed Fast Track Racing Association of Goa will organize their first ever National Supercross Championship at Naveli on Sunday. The event is recognized by the FMSCI, the governing body for motorsport in India. Big name in Indian Supercross scene, CS Santosh will be the top attraction of the event, along with other top riders.
On Thursday, the organizers briefed the media about Sunday's Supercross spectacle. FMSCI appointed Chief Steward SPS Garcha praised the design of the track and emphasized on the safety aspect.
The track I've just been to the track, it's very well designed. I hope it is going to be a great event. We are expecting about 10-12 entries in the open class, which is the Group A for local. Then we have got a lot of entries. I am not very sure about the number, but I've been told it's about 25 from the local class and Group B and C, which is a huge number for a first event. Basically, the federation comes in to check the safety aspect. We are not very concerned with the prize money and other details. We are trying to make this track as safe as possible. We have a 2 lakh plus 40,000 hospitalization benefit policy for every rider, plus 50 lakh benefit from the third party. So that comes with the organizing property.
Meanwhile, the FMSCI has also planned a martial training program.
Tomorrow we are holding a special discussion and workshop on training of marshals for track events, namely motocross, supercross and flat track. These marshals will be given a workshop and then a test they have to undergo, and as per the results of the test, they will be certified to do marshalling for various events of different statuses which we have in the federation.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
The Goa Football Association's Kingfisher Beach Football Challenge kicked off at Kalangut on Thursday. The two-day event is gaining reputation as one of the most enjoyed football spectacle in the state. The party atmosphere, along with the entertainment of five-a-side football matches, makes beach football a lip-smacking activity.
Welcome to an exciting game between Hotshell Sports Club and them. Lead Angela by 1-0. And a brave attempt by goalkeeper of Hotshell Sports.
Our reporter Sham Sundar Fatte and sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Kalangut.
I-League side Sporting Club de Goa also participating in the tournament and having a very easy victory later on in the evening. Broadcaster of the I-League, 10 Action, are happy with the newly erected Nehru Stadium floodlights. Goa Football Association General Secretary Alberto Colaco is confident that the final phase of I-League matches could be played under floodlights. However, Colaco has asked SAG Executive Director VM Prabhudesai to ensure peripheral lighting in the stadium is also in proper condition to make sure spectators have a comfortable match-day experience.
Alberto told Prudent broadcasters are happy with the floodlights at the Fatorda Stadium.
Yesterday we had a
trial match under Floodlights.
Okay.
We have also had the TV people also requested us to have some friendly matches, some matches under Floodlights.
Okay.
And they have gone through this.
Okay.
They have sort of recorded these matches. They are satisfied
Okay.
with what is, with the quality of Floodlights. They are satisfied. But there are certain steps to be taken because, like, everything has to be completed. That has to, because you should not start the Floodlights and then something happens, go back. So I think that by the next phase of the league, the Floodlights will be on.
So we can see Floodlights in an I-League match, maybe even on television by this season, in this I-League season?
Definitely.
Okay.
See, I am not the authority as far as Floodlights are concerned.
But from
Because
GFA's point of
from
view?
GFS, definitely, because see, the television people are satisfied with the Floodlights.
Okay.
The floodlights functioning alone will not be the requirement from GFA's point of view, but peripheral lighting around the staircase and stadium will also need to be in place.
If they take care of certain things, like that is, you require it, you have already told Mr. Prabhupada, and he has taken steps to correct. A standby generator for the service areas, like staircases and all, in case, because that is connected to the government supply. If there is a power failure during the exit of the people, then there can be problems. So there used to be a standby generator when the stadium was.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar from Panji along with bureau inputs.
You can log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook as well at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.